Caps to...
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hey girl, hey. In today's video, I will be installing this beautiful deep wave. I think it was supposed to be 20-inch, but it's really giving like 18 inches right now. So I'm gonna just say 18-inch deep wave wig. It is from VIPWIGS. They sent me this hair. I actually got it today and I installed it today. And it's really giving me life, y'all. Y'all gonna see the whole installation process. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all shop with VIPWIGS. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. I didn't do this on camera because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Because this is my first time doing a closure wig. But first, I do want to see like how long, because it's a 5x5 closure. And I want to see how wide the lace is before I glue it down. I'm about to just go in. First of all, I need to put makeup on this cap and on the lace because I did not bleach the knots. After you apply the makeup to the lace, this is what it should look like. Now I'm gonna apply it to my head. Now I can go ahead and start applying the glue. To apply my glue, I'm going to use some bolt hole adhesive. And, oh, I'm lying. This is definitely Ghost Bond. I'm going to use some Ghost Bond adhesive and a popsicle stick and do 3 layers. This side, I don't think it's gonna dry up because it's in my hair a little bit, so I think that's like as clear as it's gonna get. But I'm about to go ahead and lay down this lace. Try to put it directly where the glue, see, like right here where the glue starts. That's exactly where you want to lay the lace, okay? So I'm going to use this elastic band. I'm going to lay it exactly in between the lace and my baby hairs. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, I don't even know how long it's been. I'm about to go in and cut this lace with a razor. so now, what's next? I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. So now I'm gonna take my Got To Be gel and my edge brush and just lay my baby hairs down. My baby hairs. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think y'all, this was like the absolute best I could do on these baby hairs. I kind of already messed it up when I cut them too short, but like this is literally the best I could do. I'm not satisfied with these baby hairs at all. They look so patchy. Well, the front one looks like so patchy, but I'm about to go ahead and do my part. Okay, so now that it's pretty much as flat as it's gonna get, I'm gonna go ahead and take some water and some mousse and wet the rest of the hair. And then I'm gonna I think I'm just gonna put on some lashes because I don't really want to put on a lot of makeup. I don't want to put on any makeup actually. So I'm gonna wet the hair, put on lashes. Cause like, are you shitting me? Like, stop playing. Okay, you guys, so it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give, even though, you know, I kind of messed up on the baby hairs. I came back and fixed them up, and now it's all flowing together. Y'all, this hair is so bomb. Look at the curls. I only put a little bit of water and some mousse in it, and it's like, it's giving me life right now. So, y'all make sure y'all shop with VIP Wigs. This is some of the best lace. Like, it looks like I bleached the knots, and I didn't. I only put makeup on it, so y'all know there's some good lace and all that stuff. So, yeah, make sure y'all shop with VIP Wigs. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias, which will be down below in the description. And, yeah, happy holidays, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!